Hi everyone, it's Kimberly. Okay, this is my first kind of unboxing video, and it's not really a like it's not sponsored or anything. I just thought it'd be a cool thing to do. So I got in these awesome guidance and ritual botanical oracle cards, and these are the Illustrated Herbiary collectible box set by Maia Toll. And these are so, you guys check out this box. It is gorgeous. It is super amazing. And I can't wait to dig into this. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to do this with you. So let me just take the plastic off. I literally got this in like 10 minutes ago. I'm super excited. So it's a very sturdy box. It's beautiful. And there we go. Let's move that to the side. Ooh, look at this. It's got a nice little ribbon. Oh, how awesome. So this book, I'm struggling with this to get this out because it fits so nicely. Okay, this is a nice hardbound book. Look at the detail and the color in this. This is so beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to like dig into this. This is amazing. Oh, I love this. Like, so if you follow me, it's all about like things just, the universe gifts you things, right? So it's like, what energy do you radiate? I love that. I can't wait to read this book. But, so it's, what energy do you radiate? That's a wonderful question, isn't it? Oh, look at the color and the illustration in this. Oh, it's beautiful. So this is gorgeously illustrated. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Cannot wait. So I'm going to set that to the side. Oh, because I want to get to the cards. Okay, so, ooh, look at this. She even includes a pouch. This is a nice little satin pouch to put your cards in. And, here's the cards. This is such an amazing box. I love this. Oh, it's nice and gilded on the side. Let me see if I can open this. I may need some assistance in opening this. Can I have my scissors, please? You guys know I don't edit my stuff, right? Like, I don't really edit my videos. It's just kind of, I'm gonna come off screen for just a second so I can open up this package. Well, these cards aren't gonna go anywhere, are they? Little piece of plastic in the corner. Let's see. All right, here we go. Got it started. I just needed a little bit of assistance. Sometimes we need some assistance. You know what I mean? Sometimes we just need some assistance. Wow, these are really nice. Oh, that's a good cardstock too. I'm just gonna kind of, let me move this out of the way. That. I'm gonna kind of go through the cards. These are gorgeous. Look at that. I love, they're so vibrant and colorful. Wow, she did an amazing job on these cards. I can't wait to use them. These are so gorgeous. Oh, I love that. This one just wouldn't pop right out. Crack open. Look at that. And the backs of these. So let me just show you the backs. The backs mimic the illustration that is in the cover of the book, which is just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. These are even more gorgeous than, and I love the fact that, oh my gosh, that she pulls in nature, and she has, her border is really nice because the artwork goes all the way out to the border, but the border isn't overpowering on the cards. These are just so beautiful. Wow. And you guys, I don't know if you can see, but the sides are gilded gold. This is a really nice site. It's easy to hold in your hand. You know, it doesn't feel like it's like they're oversized or too bulky or too big to handle. So these are really great. I absolutely adore this. So, wow. And you know that since I have these out, and once we go through all of these, I'm actually gonna kind of I'm gonna do another video and pull some cards and post those, do like a little reading. Yeah, because we're gonna let the magic in. How awesome is that? We're gonna do that, and I think I'm gonna start doing some card readings for you guys. I think that would be fun. You know, you comment below what you think. Would you like to see some card readings from me? Yeah, I think that would be amazing. These are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is just like one of the many decks that I have, but this is the one that I got in today. And I just wanted to share that with you because this is just absolutely beautiful. Look at this. We're just gonna leave that right there. Create space. And if you're looking to get these cards, maybe this unboxing and reveal just kind of helped guide you. So if you're feeling called to do that, then, you know, maybe this created the space and a little bit more ease in your decision making. Okay, so until next time, you guys, see you later. Bye.